everyone, on today's menu we will share with you one of our favourite potato salad recipes. Of course there are many versions out there and I know you have your own favourite, but why we love ours is not only because of the contrasting flavours in this comforting potato salad recipe, but also how we have assembled it. First up in a good potato salad is to have perfectly cooked potatoes. What we want is for the potatoes to be cooked through, but not so soft that it becomes like mash when we toss it together. You also don't want undercooked potatoes where it's still crunchy. Who likes a crunchy potato salad? To really enhance the flavour of your potato salad, what we ask is for you to add warm potatoes to the dressing. This will allow the salad dressing not only to coat the outside of the potatoes, but to seep in and add that extra flavour. This step is super important, I would not leave it out. The other ingredients you add in potato salad also needs to create a balance of flavours and textures. We like pops of different saltiness and tanginess throughout a potato salad, so we like to add bacon for our salty component, pickles for a little tang, red onions and chives for the aromatic flavours. For the creamy dressing we also combine sour cream and mayonnaise with Dijon mustard, so it's not as heavy as if you were just using mayonnaise alone. And don't forget to make sure you season your potato salad well with salt and pepper to your liking. That's all. Delicious, comforting and a damn good potato salad we all love. Enjoy!